Guys, so I'm here at the airport, and apparently they're seeing a lot of bulbs all over the place. I don't know who's responsible for keeping the airport clean. You know what I'm saying? Finding a lot of dead bulbs. I don't know who's responsible for this. To keep the airport nice and clean. You know, guys, come on, man. Find a garbage bin. Let's don't just throw bulbs all over the place, especially the beautiful Bahamaland at our airport. Yeah, this can't work. You gotta do a little better than this, guys. Alright? Try find a trash bin. Put it in the trash bin. And you know the children doing this is adults. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this place, I don't know. But let's look into this, guys. You know, shoot me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you think they should be doing stuff like this, man. Check this, man. International, you know. But you know, so funny. I'm thinking this is the domestic side. Just remember that. That's the international side for us there. You wouldn't see that. You wouldn't see stuff all over the place. Look at this. Just look at that. Look at that. I saw somebody just take care of this by doing the cleaning. I don't understand. Anyhow, guys, hit me up, message me, send a comment. Let's see how we get this right, man.